Press conference ahead of their fourth rally, senatorial candidates of the administration Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas urge an end to political bickering and negative campaigning following the word war between President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and predecessor Rodrigo Duterte. This instead of responding to Duterte's remarks over killing senators to make way for his preferred candidates.
Sana ang kahilingan ko, tumulong na lang tayo mag-de-escalate, sa halit na mag-escalate. Kasi walang idudulot na maganda ito. Walang negative campaigning. Wala yung mga abrasive na remarks na makakapag-divide. Kasi very divisive ang ating eleksyon. Wag na natin pang dagdagan pa.
The president's sister wants an end to the mudslinging as she maintained her independence despite being part of the administration lineup.
Independent ako. Nagklaro lang ako sa alyansa na hahayaan ako na magsalita ng gusto ko at hindi ako sang-ayon sa lahat ng nasasabi sa entablado. Pero pupunta ako lalo na't mga kaibigan nga yung nag-host ng ibang rally.
At least two candidates do not want to take the former leader's utterances seriously.
I'm treating it as a joke. Okay, kakilala ko naman, magkaibigan naman kami President Digong. Pero sa akin kasi, parang piece of advice sa ating mga politicians. Pagka pinag-uusapan mga issues, it's better we stick to the issues. Once you start attacking personal attacks on anyone, you have lost the debate.
Sa akin, joke eh. Parang joke yung kanya. Siguro it should be taken in a context of his previous expressions. Di ba palabiro? Pero depende sa investigasyon ng CIDG.
But in his campaign speech, the country's chief executive had a rebuttal for his predecessor.
Tinitiyak ko na kumpleto at kailangan po natin ay solusyon. Hindi po ang mga maiinit at maanghang na salita na wala namang kinalaman at wala namang kabuluhan.
Administration bets hope to replicate the chief executive's huge win in the National Capital Region in 2022 this election cycle.
Nakikita kong isa sa mga strengths ng alyansa dito sa National Capital Region ay marami sa aking mga kasama dito ay taga-NCR. So mayors, I have an understanding kung ano yung mga talagang pangangailangan ng residents ng National Capital Region.
Nung last presidential election, if I'm not mistaken, the President has swept all 17 cities and municipality in Metro Manila. Overwhelming po ang tiwala na binigay sa ating Pangulo. No? And of course, this is the President's team